In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a favicon on your Godaddy website in about 5 minutes. Let's start from the very beginning. What exactly is a favicon? You know, when you open a tab in your browser and you see those little icons next to the page names, those are favicons. They're not just cute. They're a crucial part of your website's brand identity. Today, we're going to add your unique favicon to your Godaddy website, enhancing your online presence and making sure your site stands out even in a sea of tabs. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy homepage and look for the Sign In button. Once you find it, click on it. This will bring up the login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Go ahead and fill in those details. Remember, accuracy is key, so make sure you're entering your credentials correctly. Once you've input your login information, it's time to proceed. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. You're now one step closer to adding that all-important favicon to your website. Now navigate through your Godaddy dashboard until you find the section labelled Website. Once found, click on it. This action will take you to a new set of options related to your website. Within this selection, you'll need to find and click on the Edit Website button. This will lead you directly into the website editor, a space where the magic happens and where your website comes to life. Once you're in the website editor, keep an eye out for a link or button that says Settings. Depending on your Godaddy version, it might look slightly different or be in slightly varying locations. If you're unsure, there's usually a settings icon shaped like a gear, which is a good indicator that you're in the right place. Click on Settings to proceed. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find an array of options, but the one we're interested in today is the Favicon section. Look for it, and once you find it, give it a click. This action opens up the door to adding your personal touch to your website in the form of a favicon. Now for the grand moment, adding your favicon, you should see an option that reads Upload. Click on this to initiate the favicon upload process. This is where you select the image file from your computer that you wish to use as your website's favicon. Preferably this image should be square and at least 512 x 512 pixels for optimal clarity across all devices. If your chosen image meets these criteria, go ahead and upload it. After the successful upload of your favicon, your website's identity will now be reflected across web browsers, making it instantly recognizable to your visitors. This small but impactful change not only contributes to your branding, but also enhances user experience by making your site easily identifiable among the multitude of tabs and bookmarks a user might have open. It's worth mentioning a few additional tips to ensure your favicon stands out. Make sure your design is simple and scalable. Complex designs tend not to render well in such a small space. Also, pay attention to contrast. A favicon should be visible against both light and dark backgrounds, since you can't predict the browser theme your visitors might be using. Congratulations, you've now successfully added a favicon to your Godaddy website. It might seem like a small step, but it's significant in the grand scheme of your online branding and user experience. As you continue to develop your website, remember the devil is often in the details. Something as small as a favicon can significantly contribute to your site's professional appearance and brand recall. Thank you for joining me on this quick but valuable journey to enhance your website with a favicon. Your site not only looks more professional now, but also echoes your brand identity in the digital sphere. Keep exploring more ways to improve your website, and don't forget, we're here to help you make the most out of your online presence. Until next time.